very hurting part of being a dad. I still don't have a job in here, and one of the friend of my friend, like, oh, do you want me to, do you want to drive my car? I'm gonna give you like, like certain amount, like in the day. They're so kind to me. So what I'm trying to say in here is everything should have a purpose, and sometimes hindi natin nakikita yun sa araw-araw eh. Masyado tayong na-overwhelm sa mga material na bagay, masyado tayong na-overwhelm sa problema natin. But God is showing us signs every day, and you have to be very sensitive. And binigyan kasi tayo ng Diyos ng discernment. At saka binigyan din tayo ng free will. Ang sinasabi lang palagi siyang daing dad ko is huwag mong hintayin paluin ka ng Diyos na wala ka na talagang turning back, like. And I would advise you, Queen Ami,
excuse me, did you ride sakyan? Pakilakay sa panel ang ating speaker.
Are you talking to me?
Yan. No. We're just trying to do something.
Go ahead, sir. I'm sorry.
So, yung mga signs na yun, for a better purpose, for a better life, just sometimes na-overwhelm tayo sa problema natin, na-overwhelm tayo sa mga bills, wala tayong trabaho, blah, 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 But, to tell you honestly, maraming worse na nangyari sa buhay ko. People sometimes bully me. People walang, like, just give it all to God. Pray. I mean, I'm not telling you to be in church every Sunday because hindi naman ang church ang mag-save sa atin. But it's the personal relationship between you and the Savior. Minsan pa nga, nandun pa nga mga marites ako, mga marites sa church. Alam mo yun. Just pray, establish a personal relationship, and be very sensitive. I would advise you to read Proverbs every day because Proverbs is more than wisdom. So,
I do read Proverbs.
It will give you directions every day, and it will give you like, wisdom is better than knowledge, like. And yun lang, hindi naman sabihin talagang instant na pagbabago, no? But parang one step sa isang araw. So, and sing songs of worship. People sing, like, have you noticed me like singing in like another platform in here? I always sing with my heart. Because there's a lot of people that are good in singing, but how could you touch the audience? How could you touch heaven if you're not singing from the heart? If you didn't mean what you say. So it's more like, minsan gusto natin kasi, pag may problema tayo, we want to take the wheel. Let God take the wheel and direct your directions. Your everyday life. Yun lang po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Diba? So, nakaka-touch yung message ni Sir. So, totoo naman talaga yun. So, ang pagdadasal, hindi lang doon pupunta ka sa simbahan para mapakita sa karamihan na ikaw ay nagdadasal. So, if you are willing to pray and willing ka talaga lumapit sa Kanya, at ang lahat ng problema natin, alam ko, kung kailan ka mauubusan na ng hininga. Pero, alam mo, si Lord ay nandyan palagi sa atin. So, kahit saan sulok ka man, nandito sa bawat kanto ng ating paglingon, si Lord ay nandyan. Importante, lumapit ka sa Kanya dahil tayo naman talaga ay walang ibang malalapitan Kasi even ang ating pamilya, hindi po natin yan lahat nasasabihan ng ating problema. Bagkus lumapit ka sa ibang tao, may mga tao, tama si Sir, na kahit nandun ka sa simbahan, nandun karamihan ang mga marites sa simbahan. That's why ako din, alam niyo ba, alam mo ko nga, kung bakit ako mananahimik at stop ko ang aking minsan i-off ko ang aking mga social media platform dahil ako talaga ay nagdadasal din. Dahil hindi lang ako ang nagkaroon ng mga pagsubok sa buhay. Lahat po tayo na mga tao ay may pagsubok. May kanya-kanya nga lang tayong binigay ni Lord na assignment sa buhay. So ikaw ay binigyan ng mabigat na pagsubok dahil alam ni Lord na malaki ang tiwala ni Lord sa iyo na kaya mo kampanan at kaya mo yang lagpasan. So, ang mabuti na lang sa atin, so lahat sa inyong lahat yan, mga listeners, so mga nanonood, so willing to accept kung ano man yung binigay sa atin ni Lord, i-accept natin and give thanks to the Lord sa big trials na binigay sa atin. Hindi lang doon sa mga grasya, mga kung ano-anong binibigay sa atin ng mga material na bagay, hindi lang po doon. So, bigyan natin ng malaking papasalamat kung ano man yung trials na binigay sa atin. Dahil kung hindi tayo bibigyan ng pagsubok ni Lord, hindi po tayo matuto at hindi po lalawak ang ating unawa para intindihin lahat ng bagay-bagay. So, yan. Sa inyong lahat, sa ating lahat. So, sana may sa topic na ito, may napulutan tayo na good, yung magandang aral sa bawat isa. So, hindi talaga masama ang magiging mabuting tao sa kapwa pag ikaw talaga ay marunong umintindi sa bawat pangyayari sa buhay. So, wag natin isisi kay Lord. Wag natin isisi kay Lord kung ano man yung pagsubok na mabigat na binigay sa akin. Alam ko, may dahilan ang lahat dahil may katapusan din po ang lahat. So, sabihin na lang natin kay Lord, Lord, please, hindi ko na po kaya. Tirahan mo naman ako ng pambuhay mo, Lord. Ano na. Kulingag, I always praying to you. And then, andito lang ako. Pero, handang umintindi sa iyo palagi. Lagi kitang mamahalin. So, nakakaiyak man. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, ito si DJ Reyna ay hindi na po talaga ibasa. So, kung parang hindi lang tayo magkalugtong. Lahat, basta nandito ako para iintindihin. Ayan, thank you so much. And thank you, Sir Ryan. Thank you so much and nice meeting you po. So, nakakaiyak ang topic na ito, no? Di ba? Kumustahan lang, pero mabigat itong topic na ito pag kumustahan ang topic. Hindi basta kumusta lang po ito. Connection po ito sa lahat ng iyong mga kaugat-ugatan ng iyong buhay, sa ating buhay. Lalo na may kanya-kanya kayong mga dinadala. So, thank you so much. Back to you, Rose. Thank you.
Host, magbaba muna ako sa mga co-host. Thank you so much for the
Yeah.
time.
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for
Love you guys.
joining.
Love you.
Thank you po. Alright,
I'll talk to you later, my friend.
alright, balik tayo sa ating bisita. Okay.
Sagutin mo na to, fast talk natin. This a little bit question.
Sagutin mo na to, fast talk natin. This a little
Okay.
bit question. Maybe 5 minutes or 5 minutes. 1 minute to 2 minutes. This question.
Kasi
Alright.
nasa sentimental
Balik tayo ng
tapos
tugtog
fast
muna,
talk
ha?
natin, nakakatawa.
Kasi nasa sentimental tayo, tapos fast talk natin nakakatawa, tapos tugtog, background, sentimental.
What are we going?
Mga bana.
Ay, ito, maraming
FTS Big Boss, shout out.
Maraming salamat to sa ating bisita sa wisdom
At
advice.
sa ating mga nandyan pa po,
Thank you.
sa ating TikTok and live.
At sa ating mga nandyan pa po, sa ating TikTok and live, at sa ating mga listeners, sa ating platform sa Sino. Thank you very
we
much
go
po
now.
sa inyo lahat. And we go now.
Lakas ba yun?
Malakas pa yung music.
Yeah.
Alright, DJ Rhina, kumusta ang iyong buhay at kumustahin
Alright, DJ Rhina, kumusta ang iyong buhay at kumustahin ko ikaw dito sa ating Fast Talk. Let us do Fast Talk.
Naging Bisaya, manakot.
Okay, DJ Rhina, complete. Tayo naging Bisaya, manakot tayo.
Nahawa ko dito. Jabag na to eh. Kulingag.
Nahawa ko dito eh. Jabag na to eh. Kulingag.
Ang lakas makamantsa, no?
Talaga, oh.
Kulingan.
Okay.
Aray ko.
Okay, complete sentence.
Manahimik ka dyan.
Ako dito, dinadamay mo na naman ako dyan.
Oy, manahimik ka
O sige,
dyan.
huwag ka na maingay, may naglalaba.
Dito. Okay, complete the sentence.
Dahil ikaw ay susunod ko dito.
Masakit kapag.
Okay, complete the sentence. Masakit kapag.
Kapag ibinigay mo na ang lahat at ikaw ay ang nakukuha mo lang ay masakit kapag binigay mo ang lahat at hindi nakita ang worth or value mo and you only get and they only give the bare minimum.
Okay, ayusin pag-answer kasi may nakikinig dyan.
Bakit? Sinabi ko naman na maayot
Kaya nga, meron dyan mga sige.
Sige. Masakit kapag ibinigay mo ng lahat at hindi pa rin nila nakita yung sakripisyo at pagmamahal na ihinandog mo at hindi nakita yung kung gaano ka ka-importante sa kanila. Mali yata yun. Sabi ko kasi wag Tagalog eh.
Okay.
Ayoko na nga.
Okay lang yan.
Okay.
Okay lang yan sa
Pasensya na po talaga. Nakakabulol. Yan.
What emoji do you hate the most?
What emoji do I hate the most?
What is the biggest
Heart.
lie you ever seen?
What is the biggest lie
No.
you ever seen?
Told.
No.
His face.
Told.
Yung dibdib ka kumakaba.
Atay ka. Mayot ka, kulingan.
Kasi yung bawat sagot mo, DJ Rhina, nasa akin, ako ang dapat makakasagot dyan kasi ako ang nakakaalam sa'yo. Pero i-moment mo to.
What is the-
Kinakabahan
what is
ako.
the biggest,
Okay.
Bakit hindi mo ako i-message?
What is the biggest lie you ever told?
The biggest lies that I ever told? That I'm okay. Even when I'm not okay.
Alright. How many pairs of shoes
Alright.
do you own?
How many pairs of shoes do you own?
Oh my God! Kulingan ka ang musik ka! Ikaw ang may pakanalito, ano?
Alam, damay na naman ako. At ang ginalaga na damay ang sibilyan.
Bakit kailangan tanungin marami? Hindi mabilang.
Okay, diamante o ginto?
Di ba bilang? Okay, diamante o ginto?
Open-minded or
Diamond.
dirty-minded?
Okay. Open-minded or dirty-minded?
Open-minded kasi kasali na doon ang
Ano mas
dirty-minded.
Let go?
Okay.
Or
Ano ang mas madali? Let go or hold on?
Mas madali mag-hold on eh kasi nangangarap ka pa na maayos mo eh.
what
Mag-let go masakit kasi
do you
eh.
most dislike in yourself?
What characteristic do you most dislike in yourself?
Sobrang lambot ng puso ko. Madali akong maawa.
Madaling umibig.
Kulingag, umayot ka dyan. Di ikaw tinatanong.
Kasali ba ako?
Most important quality in a friend?
Okay. Most important quality in a friend.
Yung nagkakaunawaan kayo at kahit nag-aaway na kayo, hindi nyo isinasa puso yung mga pag-aaway nyo. Like you forget you forgive right at that moment, and you forget na you don't hold grudges to each other.
Last person you stalk.
Last person you stalk.
Come again?
Last person you stalk.
Last.
Yung initok mo.
Naintindihan ko, ang lakas ng echo kasi. Umayot ka, hindi ka tinatanong. Last person I stalk. Oh my God!
Alam ko.
Okay.
Basta, yun. DJ Lights, pasaway ka. Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung pangalan niya, pero I know, in-stalk ko siya kasi gusto ko
Sinedya
makita
sa akin.
Ito naman, nakakabulisit.
Wala, pampapasag trip lang to.
Okay. Hate ka niya o hate mo siya?
Okay.
Hate ko siya.
Lugar kung saan madalas ka umiyak.
Okay.
Okay. Lugar kung saan madalas ka umiyak.
Sa
My best
puso ko.
And in my heart.
Gusto mong bago.
Ugali mong gusto mong baguhin.
Complete.
Matigas ang ulo.
Sana noon,
Complete the sentence. Sana noon,
sa part of the kumusta ka?
isa part
Naniwala ka sa akin.
Naway noon, naniwala ako sa mga sinasabi ng parents ko at sa mga kapatid ko para hindi ako nagsisisi. And naway naniwala ako sa mga advice ng mga kaibigan ko para hindi ako, napunta sa maling,
Malita.
Okay.
Sa maling tao na rin so.
sa maling tao.
lips of cheeks.
Yep.
Okay.
Lips or cheeks?
Sumuko siya o sumuko sa'yo?
Lips?
Sumuko siya o sumuko sa'yo?
Sumuko.
Bakit ikaw sumasagot?
Sumuko siya o sumuko ka?
Hindi, kung masigit lang ako.
Mali, sumuko siya o sumuko ka pala? Sorry.
Maraming sumuko ako. Ako ang sumuko. Because I'm not gonna just let him run over me.
Na kinaiinisan mo.
First letter ng pangalan na kinaiinisan mo.
Agoy. Ako na lang gamitin mo.
Oh my! Bakit?
Oo,
Bakit
sabi mo walang pas-pas dito.
Okay.
Rock or paper?
M?
Okay.
Wala.
Rock or paper?
Last word na sinabi mo sa crush mo.
Rock.
Last word na sinabi mo sa crush mo.
That was long time ago. I hope you would date me someday.
Lagi ka bang best mood?
O hindi. Lagi ka bang best mood?
For the last question, lights on,
Hindi.
lights off.
Okay. For the last question, lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you, DJ Ryan, sa inyong oras at sa inyong at sa ating mga listener dyan sa ating
Go live on TikTok.
radio at sa ating live, go live on TikToks and sa Facebook Live. Thank you very much po sa inyo lahat. At sana po sa ating mga kwentuhan dito sa topic natin kumusta at sana may natutunan kayo or may nabukulan sa inyo how to accept o inaccept, how to kneel to God, paano bumalik at paano tumalikod sa taong ayaw mo, sa gusto mo. Ayun, kumustahin mo yan sa sarili mo. At sa ating guest, DJ Reynald, the strong woman, and also Reyna ng Akyatan, Reyna ng Puyatan. Thank you very much po sa inyong time. At sa ating co-host also, the Yabag, the Kulingat, ang isa pang pagbubuntuan ng ating question dito sa susunod nating dahil umiikot ang mundo
Bilog ang mundo.
sa social media. Kaya, thank you very much.
Nahawa ka yata sa kanya, nabubulol ka.
Ayun, pag yan sumagot, siguradong bulol na rin ako dyan.
Bayuy ko yung dayawa. Ayan, DJ Rides, can I read something that I wrote? Like, para sa mga kapwa ko na may pinagdadaanan, I wrote something, but I don't know if, kasi English po talaga yung yung mainly na
Yes, go ahead po. Nakatapos naman po kaming kinder.
Pasensya naman. Ako lang naman po, hindi kinder na nabukulan pa ako. Ayan.
Okay, go ahead, ma'am.
Ayan, this is like for you guys, whoever who's going through a lot and not trying to say out loud with their pains, the pain no one hears. I cry where no one can see me. Not because I don't trust people, but because I don't want to make anyone uncomfortable with my pain. I've learned how to hold my breath while breaking, how to keep everything together until I am finally alone. My tears don't make noise, but the pain inside me echoes loudly. I wipe my face quickly, fix my smile carefully, and step back into the world like nothing happened. No one sees the effort it takes to look okay after falling apart in silence. This has become my quiet habit, surviving without asking, hurting without explaining, healing without being noticed. I don't cry for attention. I cry because sometimes silence is the only place my pain feels allowed to exist. So, sa inyo po na may pinagdadaanan po, you're more than welcome po na i-add kami sa inyong friend list. Ayan. And DJ Rides, I have a message to my children, if you allow me to.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Come on. And to all my children, including my angel, I have watched you since birth and I have lived fully before your existence, during it and since. You are the greatest thing I've ever created or been a part of you, and you still evolve and grow and teach me. I'm always here. I have never loved anything more than I love you. There. I wrote this today because I think it's important enough to be said and read. Maybe you think I'm clueless, annoying, embarrassing, bossy, all valid on all kinds of levels. You are always valuable. You are never alone. You are precious. Seek no one's permission to be you. So just so you know, to my incredible, inspiring, beautiful, unique, and precious children, there are going to be days that hurt and hollow you out. Those days are the kind you see starting at a computer, at the wall, or out of a window, just looking but not seeing anything you can think. You can only feel your chest expand and rise in whole, and then purse your lips to exhale slowly. Each breath feels no better than the last, but you know somewhere deep within yourself that you have to just keep on doing it. There are going to be the nights when you lie on your back and tears slip out the slides of your eyes without permission. Oh, no, I'm reading it wrong. Slip off the sides of your eyes without permission. They stream cold and chilling on your cheek. And you lay frozen. The sadness has weight words can carry. The mind can quite decipher how much loss you feel, how broken and tired your heart is. Below the surface, deep behind the horizontal heart that keeps beating and bleeding out, there is a spark that flickers. It is so faint you can't even acknowledge it, but fumes from it attempts to sneak into your senses. There are going to be mornings when the sun doesn't bother to beam past the gray, heavy clouds spilling rain and rolling like the pain and fear from your tears. You find your crush from your left side to your right, as if arguing a silent point against yourself. To strength to throw in the corner of the top, cover down to get up, is equally matched by the strength of your resolve to roll over and hide in the cool warmth under the feathers and darkness without committing either urge. A voice without noise pushes you to abandon the fight and the start of the day. There are going to be weeks that drone on us the torture test absolute capacity to absorb disappointment, shame, shock, and alienation. It will feel so much like personal assault from the universe that you will drop to your knees as a visceral scream just because you can and nothing else feels like it will help. The echo of it and the strange and unexpected confirmation that you are indeed still alive, mobile, able to herd, and very present suits of ambiguous wound you can identify. To all my children, always remember, no matter what happened, Mommy will always be with you. I'm just one call away, like I said. Malayo man kayo, minsan nagkukulang ako sa oras sa inyo dahil mas nagko-concentrate ako dito sa aking outlet. Please try to understand. Your mother is grieving and I'm hurt. And I apologize for sometimes not even giving you a call or one hello. But you know, I'm always here for you guys as much as I can. I love you and I love you. I love you to the moon and back. Thank you so much, Sir Rides.
Oh, thank you po.
Sana kung nandyan nakikinig. I know. I give you all the credits, anak. You are one of the best child ever. You are strong. And you should know your worth. I love you so much, Solana. Ayan. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko dyan na nakapaligid sa akin, nakasuporta, walang hanggang pasasalamat. I couldn't even find the right words to thank you guys. And I know that di nyo ako tinalikuran kahit kailan. Kahit nayayabag yung yabag dyan, magpapatay ng isang araw, 2 araw, di na ako matiis niyan.
Alright.
Ayan, kilala mo kung sino ka.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you very much sa ating mga nagbigay.
Why not? And also, thank you very much sa ating mga nagpadala ng question. Thank you, Rhino.
Kung
Sa ating mga
dalawang kahon na ba naubos ng tissue nito?
And ewan ko kung 2 kahon na ba naubos ng tissue
Siya,
nito.
pinapasaya lang ito.
But you know what? You know what? It helps. Kasi matagal na ako hindi umiyak na yung talagang iyak na But it helps. It kind of like make me a little lighter, you know. It helps. Thank you. And because I wanted to thank the Lord for everything, of course.
Yeah.
Not only for the blessing but all the trials. And I know there are times talaga na medyo napalayo ako sa kanya. Pero mas nangingibabaw pa rin yung paniniwala ko sa kanya. And I want to sing this song to the Lord, if I may.
Yeah, go ahead, ma'am.
Ayan, for million years on the dot. Thank you so much, Sir Rides. Hindi ko in-expect na yung mga tanong mo is something, kumusta ka? The Lord has done